So, in this lecture, we're going to be talking about having like an exercise routine for yourself. You guys can see that in the middle, the main idea is exercise routine. Now, what is the goal behind it? As we always said, you ask yourself, what is the goal? Maybe exercise routine is the main idea because your goal is to get in shape for summer. So, now you have all the different things that you need to do in your exercise routine. You have cardio, you have warm-up, you have strength and toning, you have cool-down, right? Here we face the exact same problem. If you don't have orientation, if you don't have proper orientation on this page, you will not be able to understand it really well. If you just start this out of the blue and you say, okay, cool down, I need to stretch, I need to walk, I need to do yoga, and then I need to go back to do cardio, they're going to feel that, okay, this is not really working well. But the way this should work is that you should warm up at first, warm up your body, then maybe do some cardio to boost your blood system, blood circulation. Then you go to strength and toning, you do some weightlifting, and then after that you need to cool down, right? So putting an orientation, warm up number 1, cardio number 2, strength and toning number 3, and cool down number 4. This way you'll be able to follow through the exercise routine correctly. Now, as we said, main idea is exercise routine. Now, what is your goal? Your goal is to gain muscle, and you're doing these exercise routines. What kind of exercise routines would make you gain muscle? Okay, so this is the first idea that comes to your mind. What gets into exercise routines for you to gain muscle as well? So maybe diet. You want to add a branch for diet. You want to add a branch for supplements. You want to add a branch for weightlifting. You want to add a branch for cardio, a branch for calisthenics, whatever you think is necessary. In this mind map, there's an exercise routine that is followed: warm up, cardio, strength and toning, and cool down. You can see there was the branches, all the different branches that we read, and then in cardio, aerobics, bike, treadmill. Warm up, you have stretching, jumping jacks, star jumps, strength toning, bench press, squats, resistance band. Cool down, same thing. It's a process that is repeating itself. You ask yourself, what is your goal? So what is the main idea of this goal? Then you need to figure out what are the ins and outs of this main idea, how to be able to achieve this main idea and conquer the goal. So we're going to have all the different branches that come out of it to be able to reach this exercise routine and do it effectively. And in order for you to do these branches, to warm up, to do strength and toning, what do you need? What are the other things that you need? And then you'll be able to figure out also the sub branches, and that's how it goes.